Namaste. My name is Sigutė. I am from Lithuania. I just finished 200 hours yoga teacher training here in Dharamsala, and I am very excited and very proud. Dharamsala is a beautiful place to be. People are very friendly. Food is very nice. We had a very professional teachers, and we had a wonderful group. And it was a wonderful journey, challenging, but really wonderful. And I noticed a big changes in myself. My body is much stronger, more balanced, more flexible. My mind is quiet, and my heart is happy. I really found an inner happiness and peace. And I want to share it with other people. Namaste.